The Hypermotard 939 family of bikes is equipped with a tubular steel trellis frame with 34mm main section tubes, 25.5 degrees rake, 104mm trail and 30mm offset, dimensions which allow steady and safe control without compromising the agility typical of this motorbike. The frame connects into the seat rail and, as in the Multistrada 1200, includes an intermediate section in engineering polymer. A wide 70-degree steering angle allows great handling, while the wheelbase starting at 1,493mm maximizes stability at high speeds. Fully adjustable Öhlins suspension and Ducati Safety Pack including ABS and traction control. Lightweight and agile thanks to the forged Marchesini wheels. The Hypermotard 939 SP brings its decidedly sporting temperament to the forefront, enhanced by an exclusive livery. Hypermotard 939 SP, a dose of pure adrenaline. The new Hypermotard 939 family utilizes a 4-valve engine with a water-cooled cylinder, featuring a bore stroke of 94mm by 67.5mm designed to achieve a perfect balance between usability and performance. This is the new 937cc Testastretta 11 degrees engine which provides maximum power of 113 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and torque of 97.9 Nm at 7,500 revolutions per minute. The 2-1 exhaust system features 50mm exhaust headers and valves which flow into a new single silencer using high absorption technology and finished in black with stainless steel endcaps. The system includes a catalytic converter and 2 lambda sensors, and is completely compliant with Euro 4 regulations. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more automotive videos.